Hello everyone, welcome to Kavi's Corner. Today we're gonna say bye-bye to my good old Ultra. This was a 2-liter one that I used well for the past 10 to 12 years. And now we're gonna bid adieu. And we have a new baby in town. My new Ultra, which is 2.5 liters, checked in as a baggage because of the weight. It was about 15 kgs, I think. If I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong. Wrapped in cellophane paper at the airport just to make sure it's all nice and sealed and not getting any moisture in while we ship it over. So let's get ripping this and then we'll open the box. Looks good so far. Let's go ahead and unbox it. It comes wrapped in a nice box with good packing. And lo and behold, so this is your atta kneader, chapati maker. So we have a lid, and then we have the stone, everything neatly packed. We press this and this opens up, and you can lift the stone out. Let's keep it aside for now. I want to be able to lift this out of the box. We'll need both my hands. Came with a user guide. Definitely bigger to what I had. So let's see how it works. It all set. I added water to just cleanse it all out. And now the wet grinder is ready to use. So like, share and subscribe to Kavi's Corner, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.